Hello, my name's Nicole, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what to pack in your bag ready for the birth of your baby. Whether you're 25 or 35 weeks pregnant, packing your bag is an exciting task, but it can also be daunting, ensuring that you have everything you need. You should make sure that your bags are packed at least 2 weeks prior to your due date, as we never know exactly when baby's going to arrive. Whether you pack a suitcase, a bigger bag, or 2 smaller bags, all that matters is that you're happy and ready to meet your baby. But remember, you are potentially packing for an overnight stay for you and your birth partner. When the time comes, remember to keep your maternity notes and important numbers close by, in your handbag, in your phone, or anywhere that's accessible for yourself or whoever you're with. These numbers include your chosen hospital or midwife, your birth partners, and your hospital reference number. This will be on the front of your notes already, and you'll be asked for this when you ring up. So first, let's talk about what mum will need. For during labour, you'll need your birth plan if you've made one, a couple of comfy loose outfits for labour. Something like a cosy nightie or a big t-shirt is perfect. For the early stages of labour, you might like some things to help you relax, such as books, magazines, music, podcasts, anything that will help make you feel comfortable and relaxed. So if you've been using hypnobirthing resources, bring those with you. Some labour wards and birth centres do provide some resources, but do check with your chosen hospital. So here I've got some battery-powered fairy lights. Make sure that you've got your phone and your phone charger and camera for the moment baby arrives. Some healthy snacks and drinks. Any medication you're taking, make sure that if you're using a nicotine replacement therapy that you also bring that along. Hospitals are smoke-free sites. Please do speak to your midwife if you'd like some support to quit smoking. Make sure you've got your wash bag and toiletries. And if you're planning on using one, a TENS machine and batteries if your hospital doesn't provide one. So for after labour, you'll need 2 large packs of sanitary towels or maternity pads. A few pairs of comfortable or disposable knickers, supportive bras or nursing bras if you're breastfeeding, quite a few breast pads, a couple of towels, a dressing gown, some flip-flops or some slippers, and some comfy outfits or pyjamas. Remember, if you're breastfeeding, front opening nighties and pyjamas are easiest. So next, let's turn to the birth partner. So the birth partner will need some comfy items of clothing, a toothbrush and toothpaste, some snacks, cash for the car park and refreshments, a book or something for entertainment for when mum is resting. And they may also wish to bring a small pillow and blanket. Please do check with your midwife or hospital for arrangements and your trust policies on partners staying overnight. Your partner will also need to make sure they have reliable access to transport and know how to access the hospital both day and night. And they may also need the emergency numbers of friends and family if you need them to care for other children. So now we've got what mum and birth partner needs, let's move on to what baby will need. So you'll need at least 4 baby grows and 4 vests, 2 hats, some scratch mittens and some socks, plenty of nappies. Remember that you use about 6 to 8 nappies every 24 hours and you need to prepare for being in hospital a couple of days. Some muslin squares, some baby wipes or cotton wool balls, an outfit for going home, and if it's cold you might wish to pack something like a pram suit. If you're planning to breastfeed, you don't need to pack any formula milk, but if you are choosing to formula feed, you'll need enough pre-made baby milk bottles for 2 days, so approximately 6 to 8 bottles of formula for every day. If you need more, your family can bring in later more if you need them. There aren't any facilities to make up powdered milk at the hospital. You also need to make sure you have a car seat for going home. If you have any questions, please contact your midwife for more advice. Congratulations again and enjoy packing.